Welcome back to our channel, where we delve into the exciting world of cryptocurrencies. Today, we'll be decoding Bitcoin, unveiling its price predictions, and analyzing its current state. Bitcoin is a digital currency that was created in 2009. It is a decentralized currency, meaning that it is not controlled by any government or financial institution. Bitcoin is based on blockchain technology, which is a secure and transparent ledger. Why is Bitcoin so popular? Bitcoin is popular because it offers a way to send and receive money without the need for a third party, such as a bank. It is also popular because it is a scarce asset, meaning that there will only ever be 21 million Bitcoins created. Bitcoin works through a network of computers that are called nodes. These nodes are responsible for verifying transactions and maintaining the blockchain. Bitcoin transactions are verified by solving a complex mathematical problem. The first computer to solve the problem gets a reward of Bitcoins. What are the factors that affect Bitcoin price? The factors that affect Bitcoin price are many and varied. Some of the most important factors include supply and demand. The supply of Bitcoin is limited to 21 million coins, while the demand for Bitcoin is constantly growing. This creates an imbalance between supply and demand, which drives up the price of Bitcoin. Scarcity. Bitcoin is a scarce asset, meaning that there will only ever be a limited number of coins in circulation. This scarcity makes Bitcoin a valuable asset and drives up its price. Acceptance. The acceptance of Bitcoin as a payment method is growing. This is increasing the demand for Bitcoin and driving up its price. Technological developments. Technological developments, such as the development of new ways to mine Bitcoin, can affect the price of Bitcoin. For example, if a new way to mine Bitcoin is developed that is more efficient, the price of Bitcoin may go down. Regulatory environment. The regulatory environment can also affect the price of Bitcoin. For example, if governments become more hostile to Bitcoin, the price may go down. Investor sentiment. The mood of investors can also affect the price of Bitcoin. If investors are optimistic about Bitcoin, the price will tend to go up. If investors are pessimistic about Bitcoin, the price will tend to go down. The value of Bitcoin is still volatile and unpredictable. This means that it is difficult to predict what the price of Bitcoin will be in the future. The factors discussed are all important determinants of the value of Bitcoin. However, it is important to note that no single factor is the only factor that affects the price of Bitcoin. The value of Bitcoin is constantly changing, so it is important to stay up to date on the latest news and developments that could affect its price. If you are considering investing in Bitcoin, it is important to do your research and understand the risks involved. How to predict Bitcoin price? Fundamental analysis. This involves studying the underlying factors that affect the price of Bitcoin, such as supply and demand, investor sentiment, and technological developments. Technical analysis. This involves studying historical price data to identify patterns that can be used to predict future price movements. Sentiment analysis. This involves studying the mood of investors and traders to get a sense of how they are feeling about Bitcoin. Following the whales. This involves tracking the movements of large Bitcoin holders, as their actions can have a significant impact on the price of Bitcoin. Using trading bots. These are automated programs that can be used to trade Bitcoin based on preset criteria. These hacks can be used to improve the accuracy of Bitcoin price predictions. However, they also caution that there is no guarantee of success, as Bitcoin is a volatile asset and its price can be unpredictable. The 5 hacks discussed are all valid methods that can be used to predict Bitcoin price fluctuations. However, it is important to note that no single method is perfect and that the best approach is to use a combination of methods. It is also important to remember that Bitcoin is a volatile asset and its price can be unpredictable. This means that even the most accurate predictions can be wrong. Ultimately, the best way to profit from Bitcoin is to do your research and invest only what you can afford to lose. Bitcoin is a complex asset with a lot of factors that can affect its price. It is important to do your research before investing in Bitcoin.